We share our world with creatures big and small. Some live wild and free. Others live among us, domesticated over thousands of years. These are the animals we often call livestock, raised on farms for food. But how much do we really understand them? Science is revealing a depth of intelligence in farm animals that might surprise us. These are not just creatures of instinct, they are thinking, feeling individuals. For too long we have underestimated their abilities. We see them in fields or barns and make assumptions about their lives. But a closer look reveals a different story. Pigs, chickens, cows, they all possess remarkable intelligence, capable of learning, remembering and even feeling emotions. Their world is far richer and more complex than we often give them credit for. These animals are not simply commodities. They are living beings deserving of our respect and compassion. By understanding their intelligence, we can start to change the way we treat them. We must move away from factory farming and towards more humane and sustainable methods. The future of farming depends on it, and so does our relationship with the natural world. Let's begin with pigs, often misunderstood creatures. Pigs are incredibly adaptable and quick learners. Studies have shown they can solve problems as well as dogs. In one experiment, pigs learned to move a cursor on a screen using their snouts. They used this skill to select shapes and complete puzzles, proving their capacity for abstract thought. Pigs also have excellent long-term memory. They can remember individual pigs and humans for years. They can even recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness observed in only a few other species. These are not the actions of simple-minded creatures. Pigs are intelligent, social animals that deserve our respect. Next, we turn to chickens. Often seen as simple creatures, chickens possess a surprising level of intelligence. We often hear the phrase bird brain used as an insult, but the intelligence of chickens is anything but simple. They can recognize over 100 different faces, including those of humans. They have complex social structures and communicate through a variety of vocalizations. Chickens demonstrate impressive memory skills. They can recall the location of food and water sources, even after being moved to new environments. They can also solve problems, such as figuring out how to open a latch to reach food. These abilities highlight the complex inner lives of chickens, challenging our assumptions about these birds. Cows, more than milk machines. Finally, let's consider cows. Often seen as gentle giants, cows are highly social animals with strong family bonds. They communicate with each other through a complex system of moos, each with a different meaning. Cows can recognize and remember individual humans and other cows throughout their lives. They form strong social bonds and show affection for one another. Cows are also capable of learning and problem solving. They can navigate mazes and learn to operate simple mechanisms to access food. These cognitive abilities challenge the perception of cows as simple grazing animals. They are intelligent individuals with emotional depth. Breaking the cycle, small choices, big impact. The intelligence and emotional capacity of farm animals raise important ethical questions about their treatment. Factory farming practices, which prioritize profit over animal welfare, are particularly concerning. These systems confine animals in cramped, unnatural conditions, denying them the opportunity to express their natural behaviors. The stress and suffering inflicted on these animals are immense, but there is hope. As consumers, we have the power to influence the way farm animals are treated. We can choose to support farmers who prioritize animal welfare. Look for labels like free-range, pasture-raised and certified humane. These labels indicate that the animals were raised in more humane conditions. Even small changes in our diets can make a difference. By reducing our consumption of meat and dairy products, we can decrease the demand for factory-farmed products. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. There are countless delicious and nutritious options available. A kinder future for farm animals. The future of farming depends on our willingness to recognize the intelligence and sentience of farm animals. We must move away from factory farming and towards more humane and sustainable methods. This transition requires a collective effort from consumers, farmers and policymakers. Support legislation that promotes animal welfare and holds factory farms accountable for their practices. Stay informed about the issues facing farm animals and share this knowledge with others. By raising awareness, we can inspire compassion and action. Our relationship with the natural world is at a crossroads. By choosing compassion and respect for all living creatures, we can create a brighter future for farm animals and for all of us. Let us build a world where intelligence is celebrated, not exploited. Let us create a world where every creature is treated with dignity and respect. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Facts for Fun, where we discuss an interesting, serious or less serious topic every week on every Saturday.